model, 59-plate Mercedes Sprinter 311 CDI crew cab tipper long wheelbase, starts drives gearbox is noisy. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 158843. Engine, 2148 ccom 646 109 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Whining in all of the gears except fifth, still drives fine, but at some point, we need the gearbox replacing or repairing, definitely worth doing. The tipper worked perfectly. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear seating area is in decent, average condition. Features, tow bar, tipper in working order, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.